Good day, my name is Zakk Lucerro. I consult in parts sales and service here at Feel Long Toyota. And I'm Jordin Graeff. I'm one of the head technicians here. So Jordin does a phenomenal job at installing some of these accessories. Today we're going to talk a little bit about something we both love to do, and that's customizing Toyota, building them out. I recently won a full-blown trip to the Daytona 500 on behalf of Toyota. I was very fortunate for the opportunity. The win was something like what you're about to see here. There's a lot of accessories added onto it. So today we're going to talk a little bit about how we go about this. Typically how it works is I come up with some of the ideas. I have a vision that I can see, with a particular vehicle, and Jordin is hands-on. He does an excellent job of properly installing these items, and he also has a lot of feedback a lot of the time. So here, starting up front here, this here is a 25 Toyota Tacoma. We didn't do much. This is kind of bare, usually you'll see something a little more built out. But there's a couple goodies in it, but we're just going to talk about some of the stuff Jordin has the ability to add as far as lighting and stuff, some of the complicated things that Toyota's known for.
Yeah, so there's bang lights. We can have bang lights. You can get different grills with lights in them. Ditch lights that get installed up here. There's a lot of different options as far as lighting goes in the front of the vehicle.
And we also got some topography here, some body graphics. So this is genuine Toyota stuff. We have a detailer here. His name is Derek, and he does a phenomenal job with paint protection film. He's a good tinter and does tremendous job on body graphics. This is genuine Toyota stuff. We come around the side here. One of the things we're known for here at Feel Long Toyota is we like to beef up the suspension on some of these trucks here. So this one is stock suspension, but we are collabed with Prinsu and ARB. There's a genuine Toyota vid kit. And we are also collabed with West Coast Designs, which is a very popular Preto color. Jordin's pretty familiar with that. He's installed quite a few of them. What do you think on the Preto colors? Pretty simple?
Yeah, they're very easy to install. They only take a couple hours. And then also, we have tons of wheel options as well. There's a lot of different wheel designs to choose from as well. A lot of accessories, suspension.
And Jordin does a great job to it coming up with the offset, the proper offset and the tire size, according to what your lit has and your truck has for no rubbing, optimizing performance. He does a stellar job there. So moving around the side here, you'll notice we have some more genuine Toyota body graphics. This is black on black. It's topography. You can see the topography maps in there. It also spells out Toyota here. And we have a set of Predator drop steps. How many options are there in terms of side steps?
There's a bunch of different options. You can get chrome side steps. There's automatic running boards. Of course, you add these Predator style. You can get just regular rock slides, and they're all very easy to install. They just bolt right to the frame.
So sure. And Toyota has several options, and it has genuine product. Then for the sliders, I think they go mounted to the frame, right? You guys already has it mounted. Yep. So that's a hefty feature there. That's a nice feature to add. Protects your truck here. But we keep going around the side there. I'm going to open up the back door because, believe it or not, Toyota carries dog accessories. This is a bunch of Kurgo products in here. We have a full hammock in here. There's leashes. There's all the way down to these little pop-out holes for water. Pretty nifty stuff. Little dog food bag. Jordin installed this stuff too, bro. And there's a lot of other accessories as well that are inside the vehicle. I can install safes. There's a lot of different stuff I can install inside the vehicle. Endless accessories to choose from. One thing we didn't do on this one, which I like to do, and Jordin has a ton of experience doing this, is there's a Prinsu roof rack. There's also a genuine Toyota roof rack. And normally the way we work that is I'll usually go and do the pre-assembly for Jordin. That way, he's always a busy dude, always has a lot going on. So I'll do the pre-assembly for him, and he'll get up there and install it real quick. So it's pretty good teamwork there. So this one here, we have a tri-folding bed cover here, and this is a genuine Toyota product. And again, how many options?
What bed covers up? There's a bunch of different options. We have the tri-fold that you can see here. There's the retractable ones. There's art tops. There's diamond backs that have, roof racks and headache racks attached to them for all kinds of different accessories as well.
We recently asked to open those. Yes, on our Diamondback is pretty impressive. Again, Diamondback, huge collaboration for Toyota there. They're this and big piece here. Let's move around the back there. So for that winning build that I was so lucky to have the opportunity for, I incorporate a lot of these little accessories here. Again, the collaborations, ARV, Prinsu. This is top of the line stuff, and it's all available through Toyota. Jordin doesn't have to manually install any of this at the table. He'll put it in the back for you, whatever you need. We have everything from the Tread Pros ARB to your air compressor, all the way to your Pelican cases and coolers. This here, the Sling cooler. We have all your recovery gear, everything to keep you hydrated, and all available through Toyota. This is something we enjoy doing. We work very well together. I usually come up with the ideas, and Jordin gets down back there. He wastes no time. I love building them. So, and this can all be added to your deal, guys. Just so you know, if you come and you want to get a new Toyota and you want to make it yours, you're looking at the guys you want to talk to right here. We'll make this vehicle yours for you, and it can all be added straight into the deal. Nothing out of your pocket. It'll be added to your monthly payment. So it all works out. Genuine Toyota.